Kiisiaminnaavaqi ullumikkusivisuarimis pillaakan taamanggal aluqutigalluutuusaqarpaat qutiismilaassun tigalluatsi
Joyville 2
awanat attanamisilerik
You're my favorite adventure buddy. We'll always be together, won't we? This is our special place. Promise me, you'll always remember. I'll always find you, no matter what. Brother? Save me!
Brother, sag mig, sådan er I. Hallo? W, okay. W, okay. W, okay. W, okay. W, space, sorry. E, okay. 확인시오시 이치다 tama qamangira subscriber-nertaa kisimeqqaavava aqutaa qamangira titaanittoq tuutaaniingerlari qippunga filmitaara tako ulukkussiu takussuarsi qanupisoqassanersuunatta takuara spillinutaayunerani iluatsillugu takunikuungisaannaa ippaa pisiassangorsimasoon takoriaa kititaanu narasoruyungakku narasoruyuara qamangiraa kisinniaqqutaa ungamassalluqittaakkunnangilas taamalla ittita subscribe-itaanuanneq taasinalaarluarpaa subscribe i F. qarippaatitaan unasikuutsiorpasippu 456
Instruction No. 1. Safety instructions for newcomers. General terms. These regulations are developed in accordance with the requirements of Resolution of the Joyville and Company No. 017 dated on approval of the Rules of Safety at the Workplace Regulations on ensuring the safety of workers approved by Labor Protection Department No. 2 of General Safety Requirements. Each employee must be equipped with a daisy-type costume. It is forbidden to enter the working area without wearing a daisy suit. It is strictly forbidden to pass into the working area without a team leader or his command at night. From 11 p.m. to 6 a.m., access to the working area is allowed only on the command of the general director and or his deputy's safety requirement at the end of the shift. Leave the workplace only after the team leader's command following the established sequence of actions. If a worker needs a little more time to complete his work, he must inform the team leader. Observe discipline and order. It is forbidden to leave the workplace on your own. In cases requiring one of the workers to leave the workplace immediately, the team leader shall lead the worker out independently, leaving one of the workers in charge. Approved Director of Joyville and Company Harrison Vanderbilt.
456 okay 4 oh come on
Today's broadcast is presented in a special format. We invite you to delve into the story of Harrison Vanderbilt, the creator of Joyville, a man whose dream turned into a tragedy for many. Our team has pieced together his monologue, originally recorded during an investigation. For the first time, we'll uncover what was hidden behind the world of fantasy and, even more importantly, the shadows of the past that came to life in Joyville. Millions of listeners have tuned in to hear the story of a man whose great dream of a world for children ended in sorrow. Harrison Vanderbilt's journey reveals the truth behind Joyville and the shadows it cast over his life and those it touched.
누르사가 담았더라. Còn cái cờ không? Ý. Là bài. Là mẹ bà được tóc. Oke, mesti kita tusar apa nami? Có được tên cho mặt chưa? Đang là cái đấy. Okay. Me? No, music. بدأت تشيل رياكله قشق سقني وساق دابا درليان Hello. I don't know this. I find the secret. Okay. Kuita kama ke kama kone tu boyo. Via 569. Via 569. Ej. Via 569. Thank you. And Dippin. Aku tumbak. Keycords. Okie dokie. Hackers. I need to help. Baby. How to climb? Upstairs. That's keycords. No, una makararak no. David unaktivering og saktivering der no. Der var Autsuaraаттакунгилара илисситакуарси. Suqarpaa naluaraa ertamskaavit nuiniaruntamskaaverumaarpu. Nalungilaa qitsuusoq. Siullermi. Nanuusaruyoq. Naluaa susoqarnersu. Neripoon torpskaavittu pannarpallaassa. Neriutinginnarpaa. Mamarsiusitulliaa. Marani massakkum malersuussu. As. Pisussatakujumarparpu. Ay, nakamano. Asanme? Nami? Ayong ilang. Hello! Steam? Hi. How are you today? Climb. Okay, climb. Kitchen pattorio sa me. Wanna jump scary? No, no. Siv, 4, 3, 1. Siv, 4, 3, 1. Tanga. Var det jeg sige godt til? Siv, 4, 3, 1. Sono arrivato qui. Oh. Det går ikke ook. Dat zag ik eens, ja. Heel jij. Bạn rồi sớm được hôm nay nan nì. What happened?
Harrison's life began like many others, with people in his childhood whose actions left deep marks. Not all of these marks were born of love. Some were shadows that seeped into his soul. His family, by his own account, was distant. An older sister who seemed caring and kind at first revealed a darker side, using manipulation to control and belittle him. Her attention wasn't born of affection, but of a cunning desire to exploit his mistakes and weaknesses. Harrison became a pawn in her games. His mother, too, was far from ideal. Her care for her son never eclipsed her other interests. After his birth, she appeared indifferent, leaving Harrison with a sense of insignificance that followed him throughout his life. This feeling lingered, a shadow cast over every aspect of his existence.
I'm sorry. 시끄러진 요리 깍지 마로. 상하닥. 알라템. 오픈. Division niya ka nak. Evil. What happened? This. I like here. Now open. Bam. Apa nih setting? Jadi wow, kedua aku takut. Apa kasih sudah. Easy peasy, squeezy peasy. Mata makok. Naman na rin na. Siyo, kabita! Pinguang nindang ha? Ay, sorry. Kabita, chiusin na! Panas jadi okay. Okay.
excitement. We haven't had guests in a long while. I'm so glad to see you. Oh, by the way, my name is Lumina. Welcome to Joyville, a paradise for children, where everyone finds something to their liking. You must be the first adult to come here in my meowmery. Well, that makes your visit quite special. Let me show you our world. This door leads to the panic room. Not the best place for those who scare easily. Here you can test your bravery or play a prank on friends who have never set foot here before. Honestly, I myself feel a bit uneasy here, but sometimes I visit an old friend. Look how beautiful it is here. I absolutely love this place. And this door takes us to a room where we could play together. I spend almost all my time there. And this is my Meow's loved room. Here it's always meowgical and fun. You can ride the slides, dive into a pool of soft balls, challenge yourself as an adventurer in an intricate maze, or even become a star on our dance floor. Here you're sure to make new friends and never feel bored. And if you ever want some company or just to talk, come see me. We'll always find something to do.
Acıdan rohba, taşıra kaportoman, acıdan ne kamangira, piuminak. Ne ko nangirak piuminak. Tawa hung kakang lek lang nga siya sang bak tamya. Piuminak tubun. Piuminak tubun ano tugada. No secrets. Okay. Got them. Huh. Okay. Ingat kata mavi siya ko ba secret taka. Sirip. Captain. I hate this. Every time. Dapat cinggu dua kira dapat ni. Seorang tercinta tak pasti kata mana. Jag måste nog när jag bara tappat. Saknar fan är väldigt mycket. 똑같은 거 담아 다 페이저 이도 뭐나 poka는 만나나. 아따다 먹고 이렇게 낙지기 좀 담아도 bismillah. 담아도 빙화가 먹고 이렇게 왔나 빠져 빙. 가령 샷 동안에 신나와 그시엔 닉시가가 이렇게 skip skipita patapa pa nothing so fun tito that apa na secrets. No secret, no secret, lock inside engage. Ba 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 ba. Nothing so fun, nothing so fun, 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 fun. Where they going? Something good, something bad, something good, 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 good. What am I in the positive. Something good and point, point, point. No secrets, okay. Something good, something bad, something do. Where it going? Something good, something bad. Where are you going to? Chonna back, chonna go, chonna up. Invisible boom. Here we go. No jump scale, okay. Romps. Okay. Update. Chili bokjian. Savike. Oi. 진짜. Nice. Okay. How to do that? How to do that? Fuck. Screw. Mới đi học bình đẳng don't run. 그래서 어딨어? 난 나감. Just a moment. Sommermøen over i rådting då. Det går, och det kan bara ta ett år rakt på. Jag tog med bitch. Shani. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Vô nhau. 70%, ok. Something good, something bad. Fun. Keycode. I hate this. Something.
As he grew older, adolescence brought new challenges. Harrison encountered another figure who would leave an indelible mark on him. This individual, embodying discipline and harsh perfection, treated Harrison with a cold detachment. To him, Harrison was an object, something disposable. This harshness, combined with his sister's manipulation, seemed to echo the same cruel message. You are nothing on your own.
You're nothing on your own. Okay. Smiley face, okay. Don't really try. I hate TV, good. No screenshots. Okay. Tullian mundan qissua maaqadis naasnu pisinarlarsimassas namasbaat tulliamatakус bye bye.